In the Chiloé archipelago, in the south of Chile and the world, its first inhabitants settled along the seashore, giving rise to a culture of movement, settlement, and architecture. Wood has shaped boats, churches, homes, tools, shelters, and ways of working. Along the coastal edge, Carpintería de Ribera became a form of knowledge transmitted through the body, the material, and the hand. This craft begins with the selection of timber, with the curve of a piece, with the sound of the tool, and with the inherited precision of someone who learned by watching. For generations, the carpenters of Chiloé have built vessels that allowed communities to move, trade, fish, connect islands, and inhabit the coastal edge. Their knowledge also helped shape the wooden churches of Chiloé, today recognized as UNESCO World Heritage. In Chile, these carpenters have been recognized as living human treasures. The proposal, Fragile Crafts, emerges from this living intelligence. The work brings to the Biennale a fragment of a Chilote boatyard, an exhibition piece composed of a wooden structure and a real section of a deteriorated vessel. The boat appears as the result of an entire cultural system. The forest, the sea, the boatyard, the carpenter, the tool, the rope, the cover, the joint, and the trace of time. The exhibition structure is built from the same working logics of the boatyard. Timber worked with Carpinteros de Ribera, traditional joints derived from wooden boat building, reused fastening ropes, textile covers used to protect vessels, and recycled materials, taken from the same way carpenters repair and transform their working space. From this, the proposal develops a form of cultural industrialization, a system capable of being assembled, transported, and reassembled without losing the artisanal origin that sustains it. It is not about replacing craft with efficiency, but about projecting its own logics into a new exhibition condition. It is not an imitation of a boatyard. It is a fragment of one, displaced. At the center, the sectioned boat reveals what usually remains hidden: its constructive anatomy, its layers, its joints, the aging of the wood, the marks of use, and the deterioration of a material that once carried a territory across water. This deterioration is not only physical, it speaks of a delicate continuity, traditional knowledge that remains alive, but often stays in a corner of the southern world, far from the centers where architectural futures are discussed. By bringing this fragment of the seashore to the Biennale, the work reveals the anatomy of a living craft, a material culture born between the forest, the sea, and the carpenter.